Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 就. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读就鸡 you together 就 now first tone 就 very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写点横竖横折横竖钩点点横撇竖弯钩点就 have a lot of meaning. Today we're talking about 5 of them as an adverb. So first, 就 plus a verb. It indicates a conclusion made because what we mentioned before. This is always used in a conversation. For example, 今天的饭很好. Today's food is very good. 那就要这个. Let we order this one. So we make a conclusion by this one because of somebody told them today's food is very good. We can do one more example like there's only a ticket at 9 p.m. 只有晚上9点的票了. So you will answer, okay, let's buy it. 好的，就买它. So buy it, 买它是 conclusion. Why we have this conclusion? Because there's only have one ticket. So you make a conclusion, so okay, because of this situation, so buy it. So 就 plus a verb. And second meaning as a we indicate a concession. Okay, now let's go to number 3. 只要 or 要是 something 就 it means if, then. For example, if you study hard, you will get very good points. 要是你好好学习你就可以得到好成绩. 要是就 so it means if, then. And number 4, it means only. I only eat one egg. 我就吃一个鸡蛋. 一个 only. And number 5 is the hardest part, and 时间 plus 就 plus verb. 时间 plus 就 plus verb is indicate the speaker think this action happen in very early, fast, or will happen sooner. So for example, you call me, where are you? Oh, only 5 minutes. 5分钟 time, 5分钟就到了. I will arrive there in 5 minutes. I will arrive there in 5 minutes. 我5分钟就到了. So if I use this sentence in my mind, I think I will arrive there very quickly. So if you find somebody use time plus 就 plus a verb, you're just thinking the people, the speaker, they might think, oh, these things will very early, fast, and sooner. Okay, that is all. If you like today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.